Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add coolant to your vehicle. First, safety is paramount. Always make sure your engine is completely cool before attempting to open the cooling system. This prevents serious burns from hot coolant and steam. Next, locate your coolant reservoir. It's usually a translucent plastic tank near the radiator. Finally, always check your owner's manual to confirm the specific type of coolant your vehicle requires. This ensures proper system function and longevity. Once you've identified the reservoir, observe the MIN and MAX lines on its side. Your coolant level should fall between these two markers. When adding, it's crucial to use the correct coolant type, often a 50-50 mixture of distilled water and antifreeze. Using the wrong type or mixing different colors can lead to severe damage to your cooling system components. Always prioritize the manufacturer's recommendation for optimal performance. Now let's add the coolant. Carefully and slowly pour the prepared coolant mixture into the reservoir. Continue pouring until the liquid reaches the MAX fill line. It's very important not to overfill, as coolant expands significantly when hot, and the system needs that extra space. Once filled, securely replace the reservoir cap. A properly sealed cap is essential for maintaining the correct pressure within your cooling system. After adding the coolant and securing the cap, start your engine. Allow it to run for several minutes, reaching normal operating temperature. This helps circulate the new coolant throughout the system and purge any air pockets. While the engine is running, carefully check for any visible leaks around the reservoir cap or hoses. Over the next few days, periodically monitor the coolant level and top off if you notice it has dropped slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.